Any outbreak is just a plane ride away.
The tally tonight for reported measles cases in the U.S. went up again this week. Dozens of those cases are reported on the east side of the state.
We now know that 39 of 40 reported cases of measles in Michigan are linked to the same man. He traveled from New York to Michigan, not knowing he was infected.
New tonight, 24-hour News 8's Marvis Herring talked with doctors about if the outbreak could spread our way. Marvis?
Brian and Marley, I just checked the State Department of Health website just a little while ago, and there are still no reported measles cases in West Michigan for this year. But on the east side, the viral infection has hit people from ages 8 months old to 63 years old. No matter your age, doctors say double check that you're vaccinated.
I've seen it. You feel awful.
Dr. Dan McGee says he's seen the visible pain that measles can wreak on patients. He told me it starts with a rash that spreads from the head, then around the body, and then the cold-like symptoms set in.
You have a really bad runny nose, you have really bad teary eyes, and you are miserable from this illness. There's not a child that has measles that's not miserable.
There's no treatment for measles. Health experts say it lasts about a week, but there can be complications leading to pneumonia, lifelong brain damage, and even death.
Measles is the single most contagious vaccine preventable disease we have out there.
If you've received the measles vaccines, you're 97% safe from coming down with measles.
The CDC says if you're in the room with somebody else that has measles and you're not immunized, there's a 90% chance you're going to get that.
There are dozens of measles cases on the east side of the state right now. McGee says the choice to vaccinate or not should be obvious.
Any outbreak is just a plane ride away, so any illness that is in one part of the state can easily come over to the other part of the state and affect people that are not immunized.
Is it only a matter of time before the measles makes it to West Michigan?
Well, the biggest thing to remember is that if you're worried, get the vaccine, and get the vaccine for your children. Then there's no worry.
And I did ask about a long-running rumor. Dr. McGee says there is no credible research that links this vaccination with contracting autism or being diagnosed with autism. On Monday, the total number of measles cases in the United States was 555. That's the most since 2014.